Nothing is more important to us than productivity and reliability for all our customers. As part of Kesel's lifecycle services, we ensure this via our Kesel Connect customer support program. Easy to use and always available. If you need assistance at any time, simply contact the Kesel service team via our helpline or email to receive an immediate response. Your request will be dealt with quickly by one of our expertly trained service engineers. Advice on optimizing your machine's performance, repairs, or simply ordering spare parts. Our team will support you throughout. Your machine's built-in remote service capability allows our engineers to quickly assess its status via a safe and highly secure VPN connection. In many instances, an engineer can help you directly on your system, ensuring you're back up and running in no time. If a repair is required, they can organize to visit you directly in your facility, wherever you are in the world. Original spare parts can also be ordered quickly and easily via Kesel Connect. Our guarantee is reliability, so that your machine lasts a lifetime with the support of our life cycle services. Kesel Connect. It is us with the machine.